Not so fast learning how much I can rivet.
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense.
Not unless you're going for a long ride and fight.
You ought to be careful, kicking mud around like that.
Say, Sonny, I hear that you're pretty good with one of those. Te daré una pista. ¿A dónde crees que va?
Wouldn't hit a guy with glasses.
¿Estaba ayudar?
You talking to me? I'm the only one here, so you must be talking to me.
I challenge you to a lasso showdown!
You ought to be careful, kicking mud around like that.
I can't stop Angus all by myself.
Fatty. Tickles when I poke him.